Million fans around the world! Let's get ready to rumble!
Of different types of drugs, which is the alcohol, metamorphine, cocaine, hallucinogen, and the last is cannabis or marijuana.
Natamimi kayo, ano?
So let's talk about the effects of alcohol. Effects of alcohol are distorted vision, impaired judgment, altered perceptions and emotions, and bad breath coming from the hangover. So if there are short-term effects, there is long-term effects of that, which is the loss of appetite, vitamin deficiency and stomach ailments, skin problems, sexual impotence, liver damage due to the excessive amount of alcohol, and the heart and nervous system damage, especially memory loss, because as I said in the short effects, it can cause impaired judgment. So that's why the long-term effects of the alcohol is memory loss. Let's talk about the second type of drugs, which is the methamphetamine. So the effects of
Dalawang beses na yan!
methamphetamine are euphoria, increased heart rate and blood pressure, increased in wakefulness or insomnia, increased physical activity, decreased appetite and extreme anorexia, respiratory problems, hypothermia, and the last is can cause irreversible damage to blood vessels in the brain, producing strokes. The effects of the methamphetamine are just like cocaine: increased in blood pressure, heart rate, breathing rates, reduce body's ability to resist and combat infection. And the next common type of drugs is hallucinogens. The effects of hallucinogens are increased heart rate. So the methamphetamine, the cocaine, and the hallucinogens are similar when it comes to increased heart rate and blood pressure, lack of muscular coordination, sparse and mangled incoherent speech, decrease of awareness of touch and pain that can be resulted into self-inflicted injuries, convulsions, coma, and heart failure. The last common type of drug that we are talking about is the cannabis or the marijuana. So the short terms of marijuana are sleepiness, difficulty of track of time, impaired or reduced short-term memory, reduced ability to perform tasks requiring concentration and coordination because you are always high at all times, increased heart rate. So the four common types of drugs that were mentioned are similar when it comes to increased heart rate, the potential cardiac dangers for those pre-existing heart disease with heart disease, bloodshot eyes, the dry mouth and throat, the decrease of social inhibitions, and paranoia and hallucinations. So the long-term effects of that are enhanced cancer risks, decreased in testosterone levels for men, and also it can also lower the sperm counts of men. So huwag kayo magtra-drugs mga lalaki kung gusto nyo magkaanak. Diminished and unextinguished sexual pleasure, psychological independence, requiring more of the drug to get more the same effect. So these are the common types of drugs and their effects. Thank you.